Where to apply? How to apply? How long is this course? Am I eligible for this course? Will I get a certificate? Will I get a job? All this and much more. Hi, I'm Anupama Ramteke, founding member of Mahika, and I'm here to answer all your questions. Mahika is India's first integrated digital learning and placement platform exclusively for women. If you're actively seeking a job in the white-collar job sector but don't know how, this platform is for you. Mahika welcomes all women in the country to take this course. You are eligible if you have at least 10+2 education. You are eligible if you're actively seeking out for a job. You are eligible if you have a smartphone with good internet. Well, we welcome female students across all streams to apply for this course. लेकिन फिलहाल हम non-medical, non-architecture students ले रहे हैं. You can apply if you are a student of arts, commerce, science, computer applications, IT, psychology, pharmacy, life sciences, etc. Our course is 100% asynchronous. मतलब आप कहीं भी कभी भी अपने समय अनुसार ये कोर्स ले सकते हैं. All you have to do is just go to the Play Store, download the app and start learning. On an average, it takes between 45 to 60 days to complete this course. While proficiency in English is desirable, it's not essential. मतलब आप अगर इंग्लिश बोल या समझ सकते हैं तो आपको ये कोर्स के बाद जॉब मिलने में आसानी हो जाएगी. Definitely, Mahika supports diversity. All you need is the zeal to learn and build a career, and we are here to support you always. Visit our website www.bmahika.com, click on register and submit your details. Our team will get back to you soon with the course details. After you apply for this course on our website, you will receive a link for a psychometric and aptitude test. Once you finish the test, our team will connect with you. Absolutely, आपके सारे details हमारे server में safe और secure है. We do not share any of your details to anyone outside. No, not really. You can take this course on your smartphone too. All you need is good internet. No, there is no fee for this course. You will learn and get placed in companies at no cost. कोई hidden charges नहीं. This course focuses on back office process management jobs in various sectors like accounts payable, banking, financial services, insurance, retail, e-commerce and many more. I hope I have cleared all your doubts. Quickly go and visit our website www.bmahika.com and apply for the course. Thank you.